Well, partly, we just screw that in there because that makes the... It's a lot of bloody work, eh? Really, isn't it? That stuff's not interesting.
What do you think?
Okay, now, the fun starts.
Rolling the flecker off.
Okay. Okay, now we'll put that a little bit here so to make sure that she doesn't fall out. But you don't have to do that. You have... Okay.
Uh-oh.
That's just... See? Yeah? So in other words, I was too far, that shows, you got to go right on the outside. But you're a nurse, it seems like.
It seems to me that it was a damn good thing that we had butter on it, or it would have stuck to itself. Look at that. Oh my God. This is like freaking heaven.
Take that knife off of there.
Look at it.
See, now I don't mind the middle holes,
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Now, we're going to give this guy, now we'll give him a bed.
Now we take a slice and cut her up and eat it.
Okay, so where, and now we want a little bit of,
Butter.
well, for that I can anyhow butter. Because some of that butter I use for afterwards,
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Here we go.
all right, good.
Did you see how that all...
Mm.
Oh.
Very good, eh?
Excellent.
Okay, and now, come here, you little honey. So, that I have to...
Looks like a big...
sausage.
Well, I don't know what you're thinking of, but I don't trust you. It's probably not nice.
No.
It's an anaconda that just swallowed.
A pygmy.
A guy who has a sort of a small restaurant. So. How come we have that here? Oh well, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, now, see, that's what we need this here for now. Because they're going to be so nice and brown and stuff like that. And in between, maybe every 10 minutes or so. Okay, well, it's you know what, I don't think I would have gotten my master's paper